Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the data types in Power Query Editor. So let's start. I've got this Power BI desktop open here with me, and in this I'll just go to the Transform Data tab. So I'm on the Home tab, and I go and click on the Transform Data, and then I click on Transform Data again. And what this does is it opens the Power Query Editor for me. So let me just drag and bring the Power Query Editor here. And you can see that I've got the Power Query Editor open here now. And I've got the dim customer table and I've got the geographic key. So now here you can see that on the top, the data type is set to whole number. So now I can change the data type for this, and I can probably set it to, let's just go and set it to text, because that's a safe bet. And you can see it's added a step here as well, just to change the data type to text. So if you wanted, you could change whole numbers, or you could change the format for date as well. So if I select this birth date and I go and select here, I could select date, or I could probably select it as text. So I can change this. Obviously, if I set something to a value which doesn't correspond at all, it might throw out an error. So for example, if I go here and for the geographic key, for the last name, let's just pick the last name as an example. And if I try to set this to integer or decimal number, it will throw out an error saying that this value cannot be converted. So it's given errors. So let's just get rid of this one. But as long as you try to convert something within reason, for example, an integer can be converted to text, but not vice versa. So in this video, just to recap, we learned how to change the data type for a specific column in Power Query Editor. However, we've got to be careful when we make that change, that it is not always the right change, and it might lead to errors. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.